friends, welcome to Mimi's Mixed Bag. Tonight I've got another little bitty get together tonight, not like last weekend. If you've followed me for a long time, you know that I do these big craft nights in my garage where it's usually 25 plus people and we do these seasonal crafts and door hangers and things like that. I didn't do one this past Christmas because I did a January Valentine's one. Shortly after that, the quarantine hit and we couldn't have had a spring craft night even if we'd have wanted one. So I'm so glad we was able to do that January one. But I do have one penciled in for the late fall for all my friends that can come. But I had a friend message me a couple weeks ago and saw something on Facebook, these really cute wooden planters, and she said, do you want to get together and make one? I said, sure, that'd be so fun, and they're really cute. And she and I are friends because of the other two ladies that are coming tonight, so the four of us are connected in a way. One dated one's brother and one lived across the street, and I was best friends with the girlfriend. So the four of us are connected in a way that really doesn't involve anyone else. And I would love to invite my Bunko girls and some of my other close friends, but you just have to draw the line somewhere because we're doing it inside, and I will have something for everybody in the fall. It's just gonna be four of us tonight. We're all gonna bring a snack, just visit and catch up and have a good time. So I'm gonna take you into my dining room and show you what we're making. All right, I'm gonna make my way into my dining room here. It's gonna be so much cooler us working in here versus the garage. But that's the difference of hosting 4 people versus 24. But here are wood planters, and they're gonna be really cute. I tell you, wood at Lowe's has just skyrocketed. The 2 8-foot pieces of wood that I bought for these backers are 1 by 10 by 8s. They were 20 each. So I cut them in half, and these 4 backer boards cost me $40. And the wood for the planter part was another 10. So it cost me $50 even at Lowe's just to buy the wood for this. Now I put a plastic tablecloth on my dining room table. I've got just some leftover paint I had in my stash, and I'm not even going to ask them to help me replenish this cost just because this paint does go bad after a while and I can't use it up fast enough. Some little paint trays and sponge brush and some daubers and things, and then with it only being 4 of us, I can get away with cardstock stencils. If it was going to be a dozen people using the stencils, they would need to be washed and reused, but with it being 4 of us, paper stencils will work, and it's a lot cheaper than using the stencil material. We've got a couple different variations. One of them is going to say welcome to our porch, one's going to say welcome to our home. So I'm not exactly sure what everybody's going to pick, but they do have some options. My friends will be here in just a couple hours, and I'll share with you our progress. It's gotten dark on us, but I brought our planters outside and we're going to spray some clear sealer on each one. You know, not everyone is always comfortable being in a video, and I didn't want to ask them to do a group picture since it was just the 4 of us. So I thought I'd give you a close-up of mine and give you the measurements and everything you need down below in the description box. But I wanted to show you that the bottom is actually open. It's just 3 pieces of wood with wood glue and 3 nails in each corner. Now I found that the best pot for this space was the Dollar Tree tabletop trash cans without the lid. I just drilled 3 holes in the bottom of the plastic container and planted a couple impatiens. But you could certainly put faux flowers or whatever. So I love how they turned out, and I'll show you a picture here of the 4 completed planters.